The current MTC Danone North American facility was founded in 1922 as Shenandoah's Pride Dairy in downtown Harrisonburg, Virginia. Over the years, we've gone through a variety of changes, including moving to Mount Crawford, Virginia in 1989 to a more modern facility. Various mergers and acquisitions and expansions of our on-site cold storage facilities twice. The Mount Crawford facility is the flagship site for the company. We produce over 120 million gallons of finished goods each year, making us the largest and most complex plant in Danone worldwide. The plant is split up into 5 production business units: processing, east, west, north, and distribution. BU Processing is the business unit that handles the blending of raw materials and processing of raw product into finished goods. The processing department includes raw receiving, 8 blend rooms, and 9 processors. Processing is responsible for converting raw materials into sterile product, using batching rooms and sterilization systems called processors. A processor heats the finished batch of product to over 280 degrees Fahrenheit or 137 degrees Celsius. This temperature is held for a matter of seconds and then rapidly cooled down in a process called pasteurization. The ultra-pasteurization and homogenization process we use allows our products to have an extended shelf life. Next up, BU East. BU East contains our evergreen gable-top lines. In total, BU East contains 7 filling lines, 5 half-gallon lines, which include products like Horizon Organic Milk, Silk Soy, almond, cashew milk, So Delicious coconut milk, and International Delight iced coffee. 2-quart and pint lines for products like Horizon Organic Milk and Land O'Lakes Half and Half. The evergreen lines make gable-top carton fillers that are filled with both dairy and non-dairy beverage products. While our half-gallon evergreens are older lines, they produce nearly 80 million gallons of finished product, roughly 60% of the volume for the plant. Next up, BU West. BU West contains our plastic lines, which includes a Sidel line and 2 Sirac lines. Sidel is the largest single line in the plant, which produces more than 400,000 bottles every day of products like International Delight and Dunkin' Donuts coffee creamers. A more modern version of the Sidel, our Sirac lines, produce the largest bottles we currently manufacture at the site. Ranging from 48 ounce to 96 ounce, the Sirac lines produce products such as Silk Almond, International Delight, and STōK coffee products. Between these 3 lines, they produce nearly 50 million gallons of product, or roughly 35% of volume for the plant. Next up, BU North. BU North contains 4 Bosch lines. They are aseptic pieces of equipment which produce shelf-stable, single-serve coffee creamers. The Bosch machines form, fill, and seal the single-serve creamers prior to being packaged for consumer use. Combined, these machines produce an average of 8 million cups per day. Your favorite creamers, such as International Delight and Land O'Lakes Half and Half, are produced by these machines. BU North also includes palletizing. This is where individual cases of products are stacked into pallets and then sent to cold storage to maintain optimal temperatures. Next up, BU Distribution. BU Distribution handles all shipping and receiving of solid goods for the plant. Distribution is divided into 2 sections, dry storage and cold storage. Dry storage has over 2,200 pallet locations of raw materials and is responsible for supplying these materials to production lines. Dry storage receives in over 900 truckloads of materials each month and moves over 600 pallets of materials every day. Cold storage has over 250,000 square feet of pallet storage space available in temperatures between 34 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit or 1 to 3 degrees Celsius. On average, cold storage receives 2,200 pallets from production every day and receives in multiple truckloads from other Danone facilities. Cold storage ships out over 180 million gallons of product annually to customers around the country. At Danone North America, we pride ourselves in the work we do and our people. We use innovative methods to help change lives for the better through healthier eating. Because preparing for tomorrow is the business of today.